And so let's look at the other submodules. So as well as providing the group functionality, we also provide the ability to deal with the memberships extension, which has been implemented in the Ocelot building block for Blackboard, and the outcomes service. So if we enable both of those, we don't get much additional configuration pages. So if I go to my LTI tool provider, the only additional configuration is this membership groups. So similarly to the group that's aligned with the course from the LMS, you can align groups on your Drupal side with the membership groups that come across the LTI, in which case I'm mapping this to my team group on the Drupal side, and similarly we can map the various LTI variables that come across, like the group ID and the group title, to variables in the Drupal side. And we can, if there are particular roles defined on the Drupal team group, we can select those as subgroup roles that the LTI roles map to. So in my teams, a learner coming across will be a student in the team, but the instructor and the content developer come across and they're have the role of teacher within the team, and so I can have functionality in my teams aligned to those roles. So let's go back to Blackboard and launch into my tool again, and you now see we've got a number of other functions here. Under memberships, because I'm the instructor, I get the ability to synchronize memberships. So it's telling me that on the LMS side there are 11 new members that the Drupal side didn't know about, and I can add those members. It shows me what the current membership is, so all of that information is there, and I'm able to synchronize the two whenever I want to. So at the beginning of semester I can synchronize so that the tool already knows all of the students that are enrolled in the course, rather than it having to wait until the students individually launch the tool to know about them. For the resources, I can go to the current resource, and here I can specify the grade type that will be returned by this Drupal tool back into Blackboard as the outcome. So we have the various outcome types that can be sent back, and we have the ability to individually send results for users, or send the results for the entire cohort back to Blackboard at once. And all of these functions are available as API calls. So when you implement the functionality of your Drupal tool, you can tailor how you send grades back and when you send grades back into Blackboard from that. So as you can see, there's a lot of functionality provided, and all of the user interface for the administrator or the developer to develop their tool is very simple, point and click, to configure up the functionality of the tool and how it links in with the contextual information about the user and the course that comes across the LTI. That's it. Thank you.